Alright, today is Wednesday, June 29th, 2022. Let's take a look at the price action on the NASDAQ this morning. Very choppy day, as you can see when I'm zoomed out on my 3-minute charts here and here. Super choppy day. Makes perfect sense after a really strong down move the day before, kind of a consolidation day. So let's take a look at the signals for this morning. So first trade would have been right here at 632 short. We had 3-minute printing, 1 minute, and then this is when we got confirmation of the 2-minute. So we're short at call it 636. Runs down to a low of about 576. So good 60 points or so from entry to bottom there. Retrace quite a bit back to your entry. Technically, you had 10 points right there, so it'd be a valid 2 white bar stop, or you'd be stopped out for about 15 points. No real solid sweet spot entry. So next entry would have been up in this area. Didn't love this one just with how quickly we got back up here and printed a buy signal, but we'd be long. Right here, where it's circled around 705. Could have a stop down here, but that's about a 50-point stop. So a stop underneath this bar right here would have had you stopped out for about a 20-point loss. No time to get back in. Not a great buy signal with this massively long bar. Long here around 715. Quickly went against you and kind of, you had your stop at the bottom of that bar, you would have been stopped out. So not great right there. Definitely a trade that you'd want to avoid. This massive bar, just kind of this big impulsive move. No reason to jump in on that one. But here's a valid sweet spot right here, long at 701. Got a nice little run up to about 748. Two white bar exit. Maybe give you about 15 points or so. And then got a sell signal right here. Short at 821. Sorry, that was the time at 656. Came down to a low of about 638. And then you would have been stopped out up in here, kind of a point or two above the entry bar. And that was about a 20-point stop out. Nothing here. Next entry was right here, and this is the only nice little trend of the day. Short at 662. And would have rode this, kept keeping your stop up in this area. And then it came down to here, 2 white bar exit. And you would have locked in about 662, about 32 points, maybe 35 points, depending on exactly where you got in, exactly where you got out, in between 30 and 35 points. So made up for it a little bit right there, but definitely a losing day. Just no real trends, kind of bounced all over the place most of the morning. Scalp chart was disgusting today. Really big losing day on the scalp chart. I think there was maybe one winning trade. All the other trades were stop outs. Didn't respect this level. That entry quickly retraced. Entry here was valid, but quickly retraced. Didn't respect this level. This was the one winning trade, and then didn't really respect that level either. 88, probably wouldn't even be trading at that point after taking all those losses. But yeah, so just a kind of a messy day. Maybe one entry, I'd say this one could have been avoided just given the long bar. But all the other trades were valid, and just losing days are part of it.